Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to check the status of PAN and Aadhaar link. To begin with, enter the URL shown in the page, or check the description below for the link. Once the page opens, please scroll down the page. Now click on the button as shown in the image to check the status. A new page opens up. Please enter the details like PAN number, date of birth, and CAPTCHA, and click on Submit. A new alert is shown, showing the status of your PAN and Aadhaar link. It's very simple. Please update and comment if you need more info on how to link PAN and Aadhaar. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.